Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative. We help small businesses get more leads, plain and simple. Whether you're a service-based business, an independent insurance agency, a medical clinic, or anything in between, we focus on what works, cut out what doesn't, and help you make the most of every marketing dollar. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into this. Now, this one is going to rattle some cages because the tool I'm about ready to show you, it can build a full functioning website or even an app in a fraction of the time it takes most developers. And you can do it yourself with prompts. This is amazing technology. I'm completely blown away. And your web dev team, they're going to be completely freaked out. Their business model is tired anyway. They'll have to pivot because this changes everything, especially if somebody just wants to spend a little time to make their own website and own it. Own it, all right? You still have to have it hosted unless you have your own servers. Let me introduce you to a platform called Bolt. I'm not being dramatic when I say this. Bolt blew my mind. I've never seen anything like this. And as of July 2025, I don't think there is anything else like this on the market right now. I'm not kidding. Here's what makes it wild. You don't even have to pay for it to try it. It runs on tokens, but you can build a simple site before you ever even buy a single token. I signed up for the Pro plan, and let me tell you, it's worth every penny. It's super inexpensive. This morning, I built an entirely new website for our insurance business here in Florida. Our previous setup was just using the site and branding from our upline in insurance. We didn't need to have a reason to build our own site until now. Insurance is competitive. Ranking without a physical location, it's going to be tough. But this new site, it looks great, it loads fast, it's going to add some credibility, and it was live in just a few hours. I had nothing when I started. I have a live website right now on the internet. It's not ranking at all, but the point is, I have a live website right now, okay? I even ran a Google page speed test to make sure, and yep, it passed. So listen, if you're a DIYer, business owner with a tight budget and no marketing help, you can build and launch a website without writing a single line of code or having to navigate WordPress or Webflow or some of the other popular CMSs. There are other tools out there, sure, but Bolt makes it super easy. I have a link in the description, by the way, for Bolt, so you can go and try it yourself. Now, quick reality check. Even with a great website, you still need to claim and optimize your Google business profile. You're going to need to do a lot of things. I have other videos on like 5 things you can do if you don't have a budget, but you want to rank. You know, SEO is still very much important. Even with Bolt, SEO is going to be important. It's going to continue to be important for a while. The bottom line is this. You can build your own website. You don't need a huge budget. You don't need a dev team. And yes, it can actually look good and load fast. There's a link for Bolt in the description below. If you use that link, it helps me out. And once you're inside the platform, you can earn credits yourself and keep building without breaking the bank. And remember what I said, a lot of this stuff you can do on your own, but sometimes you pay $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever dollars to a digital marketing team to do it. Because that's the key, just doing it, okay? You can say you're going to do it, but unless you do it, you need to pay someone else to do it. Because not doing it is not an option. This isn't just hype. This is a real shift, what you're going to see. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.